Okay, so for question one, you have a student in your class with an IEP, and you were to provide full inclusion for that student. Provide an example of what this means. So what that means is fully integrating the student into the classroom alongside their other classmates, giving them the chance to basically have the same learning opportunities as all the other kids. By fully including them, you are putting them in an environment where they can feel welcomed and supported. So everything to make the student feel like they belong in the class with the rest of their students. Let's see, reviewing the resources from week 2. Labeling can be controversial if used correctly. Explain how you will use appropriate labeling. So I'll use appropriate labeling just by being mindful about my speaking. You have to keep in mind that we are talking about people and not their labels. So using first person language is one of the better ways to do that. So if a student, instead of saying they are learning disabled, saying the student has a learning disability, instead of saying that a kid is bad, saying they have a behavior disorder. So being mindful about those things, not letting it be known that they're a sped kid, or there's certain ways that you can say things that come off as condescending. So just being mindful about how you approach these labels. And then after examining all the resources and textbooks readings, what concerns do I have about RTIs, special education referrals, or IEPs? I'm familiar with all of those things because I do work with the special education department at the junior high currently. So these are things that I am familiar with. I do know that there's a lot of paperwork involved, a lot of meetings, and they are pretty time consuming, trying to get in touch with parents and schedule meetings around teachers teaching classes and things like that. But being in this class, I've actually been able to learn more about what I'm actually currently doing. So it's been interesting to see the results of some of the things that we've learned so far. So I do feel like I answered all the questions, and thank you.